So this is a perfect activity to use with the mini whiteboards. Let me show you how you do it. So this is a website that I really like called whiteboard.fi, and to use it you just want to start by clicking new class, and then I'm just going to call this my pretend class, but you could call it your algebra class or your whatever you want to call it. So I'm creating this new class, and here I have a code to give my students, CT598N. That's what they need to type in. So they're going to go to whiteboard.fi and they're going to type that in. So let me do that really quick on another device, and I'll log in as a student. So I'm typing that T598N. There we go, and I'm joining the class. And you should see me pop up in just a second. There we go, I'm in. So on my class now, here I have one student. I named that student pretend student. So I want to give that student some work to work on. So I'm going to go over to my whiteboard. This is the teacher whiteboard. And you know what? I think I'm just going to screenshot this right here because this is the problem I want to give to the students. And I'm going to insert an image. And let me find out. I saved it to my desktop. So there it is. And then now that I've got this, I want to share it with my students, right? So under actions down here, I'm going to say push whiteboard to all students. Great. So now all my students, if I go over to my class, they now have this problem and they can work on it. So let's see how my pretend student is doing with it. And so as the teacher, I can watch the progress that they're making by clicking on their name right there. And so I can see my students working live, just like I would see them working on a whiteboard in class. And when they're ready, they'll be done. I can see their answer, and it updates live. So this is how you can use this. Of course, I inserted a screenshot here, but you could also just type. And with something simple like this, it would be very easy just to type 2x plus 6 equals 12. So that's another way I could have done it, was just by typing 2x plus 6 equals 12. And this is just a simple little app, and all it really is just exactly like the little whiteboards that you'll use in class.